is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today we're going to be making lasagna in a crock pot. We're going to need cooking spray, 2 jars of pasta sauce, 22 ounces each, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 pound of lean ground beef, a half a cup of water, 1 pound of uncooked lasagna noodles, a half a teaspoon each, salt and pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. So let's get started. We're going to chop our onion and dice our garlic. Now we're going to set this aside. Now we're going to brown our meat over medium-high heat. One of the reasons we're using a high-quality ground beef, low fat, mine actually has 4% fat in it, actually I think it's 3% fat in it, is because we're not going to be draining the meat. So make sure that you use a lean ground beef. While you're stirring your ground beef, you want to make sure you're breaking it into small pieces. Once your ground beef is almost completely browned, we're going to add in our onions, and our garlic. I'm going to stir that in. Now we're going to add our half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. And our 22 ounces of pasta sauce. And I'm going to stir this in. We're going to let this simmer on low for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to prepare our lasagna. We're going to take our cooking spray and we're going to spray our entire crock pot pan. We're going to cover the bottom of our pot with some of our meat sauce. I'm going to scoop some right out, stick it at the bottom of our pot. Now we're going to stick on a layer of lasagna noodles. You may have to break them, so when you look at this, this isn't going to quite fit, so I'm just going to break it. It's not a big deal. I'm going to put it in there and fit it in there. I'm just going to do one single layer of lasagna noodles. I'm just going to put these, make these tiny pieces fit on the sides. I'm going to scoop about 1/3 of my ricotta cheese on top, kind of spread it across. Sprinkle on 1/3 of my mozzarella cheese. And now another scoop. Of our pasta sauce. Okay, now some more noodles. Cheese. Gonna spread this around a little bit. For more of our pasta sauce. Spread that across. Repeat. Now we're going to take our second jar of pasta sauce and pour it around the sides. And now the water, or half a cup of water. We're going to cover our crock pot and set our setting to low. We're going to cook this for 6 hours on low. You can actually cook it on high for 3 hours, but we're going to go to low setting. Wow, this looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.